Build a refer-a-friend loop into your storefront without any extra software. Turn your existing customers into a referral engine using nothing but a personalized discount code and one follow-up email. Most creators use a discount code the same way. Knock a few dollars off for people who haven't bought yet to get them off the fence. That's a fine tactic, but it treats every customer as a dead end once they've paid. There's a second, quieter use for the exact same tool that most storefronts never touch. Handing each existing customer their own unique code tied to their name that they share with friends. No referral plugin, no affiliate network, no tracking pixel. Just a code, a reason to share it, and a little bit of math that rewards both sides. If you already run Store.fan, this loop is sitting inside a feature you're probably only using half of. Why a discount code makes a surprisingly good referral link. A real referral system tracks clicks, attributes sales, and pays out commissions automatically. Overkill for most solo creators, and one more tool to learn and pay for. A named discount code does 80% of the job with none of the setup. Create a code like Sarah10 for your customer Sarah, cap it at a reasonable number of uses, and give it to her to share. When someone checks out with Sarah10, you instantly know the sale came from Sarah, and it's worth thanking her for it. Your discount code list already shows exactly which codes are getting redeemed and how often. The distinction that matters here is subjective but important. A generic Welcome 10 code converts strangers who found you cold. A personalized Sarah 10 code converts warm leads. People who trust Sarah's recommendation more than they trust your ad copy. Warm lead conversion rates are almost always higher, and the cost is identical. One discount code, set up in a couple of minutes from your dashboard. The 5-step loop. Pick your trigger moment, usually right after a purchase completes. When a customer is happiest and most likely to talk about what they just bought. Generate a unique discount code named after that customer. First name plus a number works fine. Code Mike15's code Gen20 code. Set a usage cap of 5 to 10 redemptions and an expiration 30 to 60 days out. Send one short, personal feeling email or DM within 48 hours. Thank them for the purchase, hand them the code, and tell them exactly what their friends get and what they get in return. Watch your discount code list for redemptions. Each time code MikeCode gets used, that's a signal to reach out to Mike again. Maybe with early access to your next product, maybe with a small credit. Retire the code when it hits its cap or expiration date, and roll the customer into your next launch's referral batch instead of letting an old code linger indefinitely. The 48-hour window is the whole trick. Referral requests sent a month after purchase get ignored. The excitement is gone, and the ask feels like spam. Sent within 2 days of a purchase, while the product is still fresh in someone's mind. The same exact email gets shared. Build this into whatever confirmation or thank you sequence you already send after checkout. What to actually offer on both sides. A referral loop with a reward for only one side collapses fast. Discount for the friend, but nothing for Sarah. And she shares once out of politeness and never again. Reward for Sarah, but no discount for the friend. And you've built an affiliate program with no incentive to actually click through. The version that compounds gives both people something concrete. The referrer reward doesn't need to be complicated. A free digital product you already sell costs nothing to hand out and feels generous to receive. A flat cash reward, even $5 to $10, sent manually once a code crosses its usage threshold works too. You're not running payroll, just sending an occasional transfer to your most engaged customers, where the code lives and how customers actually use it. Because your storefront is a single link, store, fan username, the mechanics are dead simple. Sarah shares that link along with her code in a text, a story, or a DM. Her friend taps it, lands on a page that already explains what you sell, and enters Sarah 10 at checkout. No separate referral portal, no account to create, no app to download. That simplicity is exactly why this works as a stand-in for real referral software. If you haven't set up discount codes yet, it takes a few minutes inside your dashboard. And if you're still deciding whether a storefront is worth building at all, a live example store shows what this looks like end to end. Codes, checkout, and delivery all in one place. A customer never has to leave. Confirm your storefront link is current and easy to share. No broken products, no expired items. Draft one short thank you email template with the code and a plain English explanation of both rewards. Set a usage cap and expiration date on every referral code. No code should run forever. Decide your referrer reward in advance. Credit, free product, or cash. So you're not improvising when someone hits 3 uses. Add the send the code step to your post-purchase routine so it happens automatically, not when you remember. A customer who refers a friend has already done your marketing for free. The least you can do is notice and say thanks, keeping it from becoming a mess. The failure mode here isn't that it doesn't work. It's that it works well enough that you end up with 30 codes named after 30 customers and no idea which are still live. Treat referral codes like a flash sale code. Give everyone an expiration date. Review your discount list monthly and retire anything unused in 60 days. That keeps you from accidentally honoring a stale code someone's cousin finds in a group chat a year from now. It's also worth being upfront about margin. A referral loop only pays for itself if the discount plus the referrer reward still leaves you profitable per sale. Let your pricing for that product decide what you can afford to give away twice on the same transaction, not just vibes. The bigger point. None of this works without a storefront that already delivers products instantly and cleanly. The referral loop is just a layer on top of a checkout experience that already earns trust. If that foundation isn't built yet, the codes have nothing to plug into. If you want more tactics like this, squeezing a feature you already have into a growth engine instead of buying new tools. The blog has a running series on exactly that. This loop costs nothing but 10 minutes and a follow-up email, so if you haven't yet, now's a good time to open your store, fan, and build the first code. Key takeaways. A referral loop doesn't need referral software. One discount code per customer, named after them, does the job. The unlock is timing. Send the referral code within 48 hours of a purchase, while the buyer is still excited, not weeks later in a generic newsletter. Give both sides a reason to act, a discount for the friend and a reward for the referrer, or the loop dies after one share. Track referral codes the same way you'd track a flash sale. Usage caps, expiration dates, and a simple spreadsheet of who's earned what. This works on any plan. But a paid plan removes the platform fee eating into the very margin you're using to fund the reward. Start your creator store free at store.fan.